To fill the Mumbai University exam form and course selection form, all the student have to go to this site, as you know, mu.samad.edu.in. Give your enrollment number, then password which you have created, and click on the login button. Then go to the course selection, go to the program, click here. Then here you will be able to see that you can apply for the course selection semester 3. Now I am in semester 3, then I am getting here semester 3. In case you are in semester 1, you will be able to see semester 1 here. And don't worry, these are my previous subject, that's it. Just simply click here to select your course. Then select the discipline, what you are studying, major 1, 2, 3. Then select accountancy, business, economics, or whatever you are studying. Select that alphabetically, save and continue. Once you will do this, go to the drop down, select your subjects accordingly. For example, I am studying microeconomics of factor. Now make sure that whatever subjects you are selecting here is correct. In case you have selected any wrong subject, it will create a lot of difficulty. Then you have to visit your college, then visit university. So be careful while selecting. Select the subjects which you have studied. Ask your friends, ask your faculties what you are studying. Select that accordingly. I have now come to this vertical 2. Now here I will select vertical 2. Then vertical 3, vertical 4, whatever subjects you are studying, you will get in a drop down for sure. Select that subjects, whatever subjects it is, field work, and then click on the submit button. Once you select all this, cross check and click on the submit button. Now again the portal will ask you to cross check it. These are the 3 disciplines which you are studying right now. Okay. After that, microeconomics, whatever the subjects there it is, you can see. And then in case you have selected anything wrong, just simply go to the update course selection button and update it here on the spot. In case you have selected everything right, then just simply click on the submit button. Now I need to select it again because I have updated the course. I can't select same course twice. Here course means nothing but the subjects which you are studying. So let me select the subjects. You must ask your friends and faculties, teacher faculties, that these are the subjects which are correct, should I go for it, and then only click on this submit course selection button, this final submit course selection button. Once you will click on this button, you will get a pop-up message. Are you sure about it? Just click on the OK button. Once you will done, you will again come to this MU button, then go down. Here you will say examination tab. In that you will be able to see examination registration open for semester 3. In case you are filling the form for semester 1, 2 or 4, there will be the option of semester 4 or 1. Click here for the examination. Just go down. Here they will ask you to select the city. No need to select any city. Just give, are you the student of PWD? You have any personal disability? Yes or no? I'm not. I'll go for the not applicable. Simply I'll just cross check my subjects again and click on the submit button. In case your subjects are not here or you have selected anything wrong, don't fill this form. Ask your college, I have did the wrong selection. And in case you have did everything correctly, just simply go to the submit exam form button. Once you will submit the exam form button, you will get this pop-up notification of examination form submitted successfully. Now just take out the print, submit it in your college. And that's it, you are done. Thank you.